He's a bad beast on that barbecue, on the grill or the smoker. He knows just what to do. He's a bad beast on that barbecue.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast Barbecue. And today we're out here on a Sunday afternoon. It's really a beautiful day out here, and we're going to be doing a little cooking on the Tec 700. Okay, I always wanted to do some bacon wrap corn on the cob, and so that's what we're going to be doing today with a little bit of butter, a little bit of Tec seasoning, and we're going to see how these bad boys turn out. Okay, so hey, don't go nowhere. Sit back, relax, watch us do this quick prep work and this quick cook, and we'll see how our bacon wrap corn on the cobs turn out. Alright guys, so here we have 3 ears of corn. We bought the white corn because we're told that the white corn is much sweeter than the yellow corn. Alright, the first thing that we want to do is we want to remove all the corn husk and the corn silk from the ears of corn. Next, we're going to take a sharp knife and we're going to trim the ends of each one of the ears of corn. After washing and drying each ear of corn, we then apply a light coating of butter. This will help add an extra layer of flavor and also act as a binder for our rub. The rub that we're using is Tec's Freakin' Greek Rub. This will give the corn on the cob an extra herbal flavor. We then simply wrap each ear of corn with 3 slices of thin cut bacon. We then place each one of our bacon wrapped ears of corn on a greased baking rack. Alright guys, so here's our corn on the cob that's wrapped in bacon. And the one thing I wish I had done better was I bought a cheap bacon, and I didn't want a thick bacon, of course, because it takes too long for the thick bacon to cook. But I did buy like a off-brand name of bacon just to save a few dollars, and I might regret doing that. But got a great smell to it. Some of the kernels that are on the end are a little bit drier than the ones that's going to be underneath the bacon because the fat from the bacon protected those. But let's go ahead and see how this bad boy tastes. Smells fantastic. All right, let's take a bite. Man, that tastes really, really good. The sweetness from the corn, and we use the Tec's Greek Rub on this one to give it a little bit more of a herbal flavor. The crunchiness of the bacon and the saltiness of the bacon goes right along with the sweetness of the corn. Well, this is really, really good. It's not dry at all, except for on the ends. But like I said, the kernels underneath the bacon is very good, man. It's moist, it's juicy, it's flavorful. That's a pretty good cook. I think the next time I do this, though, I'll cut the corn cobs in half to make them smaller. That'll be better for serving sizes, and also you only have to use probably one strip of bacon around each one of the corn cobs. But all in all, this came out really, really good. So, well, that's all we have time for today. Hey, try this if you never had bacon wrapped corn on the cob, okay? I did it on a Tec smoker, and it took like 2.5 hours for the bacon to crisp up on 275 degrees. I think you'd get a faster cook time if you would put it on a Weber grill, smoking on a Weber grill or on a PBC or something of that nature, in order to get that real heat from the coals and the wood, okay? Because you know, like I said, pellet cooker heat to me is different than charcoal and wood heat. They just cook differently and they burn differently. So I think the bacon would have been even crisper and would have cooked a little bit faster on that type of fire. And hey, if you guys are interested in the Tec 700, hey, check out the guys at tecgrills.com. They got some fabulous products out there, okay? Well, that's it. I'm going to go ahead and finish my Corona, and I'm going to sit out here and I'm getting me a cigar and I'm going to enjoy this beautiful Sunday afternoon before I got to head back to work. So, hey, like we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. If it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there. Hey, as always, hey, we'll see you guys around the smoker.